Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel which is explore yourselves, banking and general knowledge, etc. Today I will discuss about JAIIB examination related MCQs. If you are preparing for JAIIB examinations or looking to strengthen your banking knowledge, you are in the right place. Welcome to part 22 of my Path to the Corner Office JAIIB examination series, where I will break down real JIIB examination related MCQs and provide clear, practical explanations to help you strengthen concepts and progress faster in your banking career. Today's MCQ subject topic Paper 1 Indian Economy and Indian Financial System. Module C Indian Financial Architecture, Banking Regulation Act 1949 and RBI Act 1934. Background of enactment Part 1 Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. Chapter 1 to Chapter 5 Schedules to the RBI Act 1934. Part 2 Banking Regulation Act 1949. Background and structure of the Banking Regulation Act Section 1 to Section 56. Question. The Reserve Bank of India Act was enacted in the year Option A 1930, Option B 1934, Option C 1947, Option D 1949. Correct answer is Option B 1934. Question. The Reserve Bank of India commenced its operations on Option A 1st April 1934, Option B 1st January 1935, Option C 1st April 1935, Option D 26 January 1950. Correct answer is Option C 1st April 1935. Question. The main objective of enacting the RBI Act 1934 was to Option A nationalize bank, Option B regulate note issue and maintain monetary stability, Option C promote cooperative banks, Option D regulate insurance companies. Correct answer is Option D regulate note issue and maintain monetary stability. Question. Which chapter of the RBI Act 1934 deals with incorporations and capital of RBI? Option A Chapter 1, Option B Chapter 2, Option C Chapter 3, Option D Chapter 5. Correct answer is Option B Chapter 2. Question. The issue of bank notes is governed under which chapter of the RBI Act 1934? Option A Chapter 1, Option B Chapter 2, Option C Chapter 3, Option D Chapter 4. Correct answer is Option C Chapter 3. Question. Which department of RBI is responsible for issue of currency notes? Option A Banking Department, Option B Issue Department, Option C Monetary Policy Department, Option D Currency Management Department. Correct answer is Option D Issue Department. Question. The minimum capital of RBI at the time of its establishment was Option A rupees 1 crore, Option B rupees 5 crore, Option C rupees 10 crore, Option D rupees 100 crore. Correct answer is Option B rupees 5 crore. Question. Which chapter of RBI Act deals with the business of RBI? Option A Chapter 1, Option B Chapter 2, Option C Chapter 3, Option D Chapter 4. Correct answer is Option D Chapter 4. Question. Which chapter of the RBI Act 1934 deals with general provisions? Option A Chapter 1, Option B Chapter 2, Option C Chapter 4, Option D Chapter 5. Correct answer is Option D, Chapter 5. Question. The RBI Act 1934 extends to Option A, whole of the world. Option B, whole of India. Option C, selected states only. Option D, banking companies only. Correct answer is option B, whole of India. Question. Which schedule of RBI Act contains forms of balance sheet and accounts? Option A, first schedule. Option B, second schedule. Option C, third schedule. Option D, fourth schedule. Correct answer is option C, third schedule. Question. Banking Regulation Act was originally enacted as Option A, RBI Act 1934. Option B, Banking Companies Act 1949. Option C, State Bank Act 1955. Option D, Cooperative Societies Act. Correct answer is option D, Banking Companies Act 1949. Question. The Banking Regulation Act 1949 was renamed in Option A 1956, Option B 1965, Option C 1969, Option D 1975. Correct answer is option B 1965. Question. The Banking Regulation Act 1949 primarily applies to Option A RBI only, Option B NBFC, Option C banking companies, Option D insurance companies. Correct answer is option C banking companies. Question. Which section of the Banking Regulation Act 1949 empowers RBI to issue licenses to banks? Option A Section 5, Option B Section 10, Option C Section 22, Option D Section 35. Correct answer is option C Section 22. Question. Section 5B of the Banking Regulation Act defines Option A banking company, Option B banking, Option C reserve bank, Option D secured loan. Correct answer is option B banking. Question. Section 6 of the Banking Regulation Act deals with Option A inspection of banks, Option B provision of the trading, Option C forms of business of banking companies, Option D capital requirements. Correct answer is option C forms of business of banking companies. Question. Which section empowers RBI to inspect banking companies? Option A Section 21, Option B Section 22, Option C Section 35, Option D Section 36. Correct answer is option C Section 35. Question. Section 21 of the Banking Regulation Act empowers RBI to control Option A bank mergers, Option B advances by banking companies, Option C appointment of directors, Option D winding up of banks. Correct answer is option B advances by banking companies. Question. Which section restricts loans and advances to directors? Option A Section 19, Option B Section 20, Option C Section 21, Option D Section 23. Correct answer is option B Section 20. Then Section 24 of the Banking Regulation Act relates to Option A cash reserve, Option B statutory liquidity ratio, Option C capital adequacy, Option D priority to sector lending. Correct answer is option B statutory liquidity ratio. Question. Which section empowers RBI to remove managerial and other persons? Option A Section 10, Option B Section 10B, Option C Section 18, Option D Section 35. Correct answer is option B Section 10B. Question. Section 35A of the Banking Regulation Act empowers RBI to issue option A licenses, option B directions to banks, option C penalties, option D annual reports. Correct answer is option B directions to banks. Question. Which section deals with moratorium for banking companies? Option A Section 36, option B Section 37, option C Section 45, option D Section 56. Correct answer is option B Section 37. Question. Section 45 of the Banking Regulation Act relates to option A bank amalgamation, option B moratorium and reconstructions, option C branch licensing, option D inspection. Correct answer is option B moratorium and reconstructions. Correct answer is option B moratorium and reconstructions. Question. Provisions relating to cooperative banks are covered under option A Section 5, option B Section 22, option C Section 45, option D Section 56. Correct answer is option D Section 56. Question. RBI derives its powers to regulate banks mainly from option A RBI Act only, option B Banking Regulation Act only, option C both RBI Act and Banking Regulation Act, option D Companies Act. Correct answer is option C both RBI Act and Banking Regulation Act. Question. The Banking Regulation Act 1949 extends to option A banking companies only, option B cooperative societies only, option C whole of India, option D public sector banks only. Correct answer is option C whole of India. Question. The main objective of the Banking Regulation Act 1949 is to option A promote competition among banks, option B regulate banking business and protect depositors, option C nationalize banks, option D provide credit to agriculture. Correct answer is option B regulate banking business and protect depositors. Question. Which the authority has the final power to cancel the banking license? Option A Government of India, option B RBI, option C SEBI, option D High Court. Correct answer is option B RBI. Thank you very much for your patience. Request to like, subscribe and share.